Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to rename device on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, renaming device is primarily done for organization, personalization, and security purpose, and it helps you to easily identifying and differentiating between multiple devices, especially when using online services or managing a network. And how to rename device on Poco M7 Pro is very easy. So without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your cell phone like this. And then after that, now you can click about phone. And then now you can click rename device, and then you can rename it as you want. And if you're done, now you can checklist. And your device will change the name immediately. Alright guys, here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.